Hi everyone. In the earlier video, to restore the previous cursor color, right? So we used to fill the entire screen with a white color, right? As this is not the efficient way of doing. So here what exactly it is doing? So we are going to fill the entire screen with a white color. Okay. So assume if I open the paint here and assume this is my screen, right? And if I move the cursor from here to maybe in the new position here, right? So now I need to restore only this color, right? Only this portion to its previous color, right? But now what we are doing, so we are filling the entire screen with a white color, and then on top of that, in this new position, we are printing the red color, right? So now instead of doing that, so we will fill only this color with a white color, so that our other pixels are not affected. Okay. So now we need to store that previous x and y positions, right? So let's copy paste these two variables and let's rewrite this as I will call this as a current, and this is the last cursor position. Okay, so last cursor x and y. Okay, so now if I go down, so this is where our cursor is getting printed. Okay, so once that cursor is printed, that will become our previous cursor position. Okay, so last cursor x is equal to our current x, and our last y will be our current y. Okay, so now we know this is our last x and y of the cursor position. Okay, so now here we are printing this entire screen, right? So for now, what I'm going to do, so I will copy paste this, and then I will comment of this so that we can revisit later if it is needed. Okay, so now I don't have to fill the entire screen now, correct? So now I have to fill the screen only for this cursor size. Okay, so here this is the cursor size of the x and the cursor size of the y. Okay, and now I don't have to start with a top left corner, right? I have to start with a position where my previous cursor is located. Assume this is even. Okay, so now here this will be my last x, and this will be my last y. Okay, so now what it is going to do, so it is going to fill this maybe if I choose this other color, it will going to fill this color with a white color, and then in the new position, which is the red color, assume this is going to fill with a red color. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, so let's build it. So I will run the EDK setup build. Okay, so now I will go to build x64 debug x64 winhost. I will run the gop sample driver. Yep. So now we can see still it can able to restore the previous color, which is a white color. Okay, so now this works, right? So now here we are explicitly what we are doing. So we are printing a white color always, right? But in reality, it may not be a white color, correct? Like for example, here we are filling this background with a white color, right? So let's not fill the white color. Let's use some image, right? So the image which we have already earlier printed. Okay. So now if I do this, again, if I do the build, okay. So now I will run the winhost, cop sample driver. So now I don't have, so now you can see I have the background image, right? So now if I move the cursor, you can see it is always filling the white buffer, right? Because this is my cursor, which is going to restore my previous cursor position. Okay. So now in the next video, what we are going to do, so instead of filling that previous cursor position with a white color, we are going to restore its actual buffer. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you.